With what kind of impression are you leaving now, Slovenia?
Oh, the first time in your country, great country, Slovenia, it was so impressed that day before yesterday when I arrived, all over snow. My hometown, when I childhood, I grown up under the cold and the snow, that kind of the weather. So now on the more than 50% years, I lived in the Busan, Korea, where no snow, warm area. So it was just so impressed. The Slovenia, your city.
How do you assess the work of Lions in Slovenia? What is your impression? What is the work? How do you like the work of Lions in Slovenia?
Oh, it is wonderful. I don't know many details of your Lionism. However, I met them and several Lion leaders, the district governor, Marco, and the past district governor, Dorian. They are wonderful. They are so strong Lion leader you have. To compare other countries, I've been to so many countries, but you are having the excellent Lion leader in your country.
You have been visiting a project of the Lions of Slovenia. How do you like it?
Always I like it very much, especially you provide the wonderful food to the hunger. So that is one of our project and the NCI level.
You have been visiting also a part of Slovenia. How do you like it?
Oh, it's wonderful. So especially I like the food, seafood, excellent.